If you want to see how I did this to my face, make sure to keep watching. Hi peeps, Jellybaby here, and today I thought it'd be fun if we did like a grungy look, or like how I used to do my makeup sort of thing, but like 2.0, because really I didn't do that much in terms of makeup back in the day. I thought I'd pull out my old kitten ears, which I used to wear all the time. I don't know why I stopped wearing them, to be honest. Like, this one's a bit droopy for some reason. But yeah, let's jump right into it. Nothing new, just taking my Prep and Prime. Nothing new for foundation. I'm just going to take my Fast Base by Revolution. My little Real Techniques face sponge and Pro Fix. Then for concealer, I'm going to be using my Shape Tape in the shade Fair. Just going to use this to do my under eyes, my forehead, and any blemishes. Last but not least, for the face, I'm going to use my Stay Matte by Rimmel. Just going to bake, but not properly bake, my smile lines, just because they're a nightmare. And then for the rest of the face, I'm just going to use a fluffy brush just to set the rest. Tell you one thing, I do remember slightly why I stopped wearing these. It's because they won't stop jingling. It's always jingling in my ear. The things we do for fashion, am I right? To start off, I'm going to be using my Soph's Revolution palette. I'm going to take the shade Pug, which is this one here. Using this shade, I'm just going to add it to my crease, but mainly focusing it on the outside. I forgot eyeshadow primer. The next shade I'm going to take is Danger, which is this really, it's like a, what's the term? Like a brownie red. I don't know. I'm just going to once again put this in my crease. Taking the shade Pancakes, which is this one, I'm just going to use this to blend the edges. I'm then going to take a little bit of that red shade and just run it under my eyelids like this, and then blend it out with this brush. Then taking this shade, Mug Cake, I'm just going to pat this all over the lid. And then I'm just going to blend it out using the same red from earlier. Going against my better judgment, I'm going to use a black eyeliner. Oh, I feel so weird putting black eyeliner on. I always wear white. And for extra drama, we're going to go in with some liquid eyeliner for that wing. The one I'm using is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. It's really cheap and really good. I love this stuff. I never thought I'd find another eyeliner I liked after using the Kat Von D liquid one. It's somewhat, I swear my eyes have got more uneven as time has progressed, I swear to you. Yeah, now we've got eyeliner done, it's time for mascara. For mascara, I'm using my Lash Sensational by Maybelline. Get a bit droopy again. If you would like to put eyelashes on, this would be the time to do it. I would, but frankly I'm too lazy. For highlighter, I'm going to use my old favourite, which is Jeffree Star in Ice Cold Skin Frost. Just putting that highlighter on my nose and my Cupid's bow. I'm just going to take a bigger brush for my cheeks. And last but not least, for liquid lipstick, I'm taking the Unicorn Blood Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. And we're done. I think sometimes it's fun to go back and try old styles or try new styles. Sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not always kawaii. I am very much in between grunge and kawaii. I can't pick a side, I'm sorry guys, I can't. Okay, I do love all alternative fashion. I love alternative fashion. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed anyway. Comment down below if you'd like me to try any other, like try a different genre or subgenre of makeup or fashion. Bye!